Chinese BBQ Pork. Ingredients: 2 pounds pork tenderloin, a half cup teriyaki sauce, a half cup chicken broth, a quarter cup soy sauce, a quarter cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons Hoisin sauce, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon Chinese 5-spice powder, a few drops red food coloring. Directions: place pork in a large Ziploc bag. Combine all remaining ingredients in medium-sized bowl and pour into Ziploc bag with the pork. Press out all the air from the bag, seal tightly, and refrigerate. Marinade 4+ hours or overnight, the longer the better. Remove pork from fridge about 20 minutes before cooking to allow pork to reach close to room temperature. Drain marinade. Set smoker /pellet grill to high smoke, 220 degrees F, and remove when internal temperature reaches 147 degrees F*. This should take approximately 1 hour. Remove from smoker and wrap in foil. Allow to rest for 5 minutes before serving. Slice into 1/4 4 slices and serve immediately.